You got the wrong bitch. You got the wrong bitch here. What is going on, my boo? It is your girl STACIEWO. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will be reviewing the Teyana Taylor collab with Mac Cosmetics. I'm so excited. I love her so much. Been supporting her since Sweet 16. If you don't know, now you know. If you are new to my channel, welcome to my channel. Make sure you guys subscribe and don't forget to hit the notification bell button so you can get the notification of my next upload. Real quick, I wanted to let you guys know that I love you guys for subscribing to my channel. It means so much to me. So with that being said, I wanted to definitely give you guys a giveaway. All the details will be linked in this description below, but really quick, I want to show you guys what my grand prize winners, what my first, second, and third place winners will be receiving with this giveaway. Okay, in order for you to win this giveaway, okay, I am going to be putting on 2 lips, these 2 right here on my lips, and one of these are my favorite, and I want you guys to pick which one that you think is my favorite. I want to show you really quick what I'm going to be giving away. Okay, I'm going to be giving away my fave hydrating face primer by ELF. I'm going to be giving away my mascara primer from ELF. Also, I'm going to be giving away my lashes. This is what the third place winner will receive. You will receive that. For my second place winner, they will receive my fave Morphe setting spray with a Sigma Beauty brush. Okay, and then for my first place winner, she will receive, or he, okay, will receive this brand new brush cleaner from Sonic Clean. Also, did I show you guys my nails? Get into it. It's like slanted. Yes, shout out to my boo Teyana. Okay, and then for my grand prize winner, you will be receiving the Suva Beauty palette. This is my favorite palette, one of my best palettes. It's very pigmented and it has some great highlighters in there. So make sure you guys check out all the details below so you could be a winner. Okay, now moving right along, get into this packaging. You know I am a stickler for packaging. Okay, I am a stickler. All right, so first we're going to be opening up this orange one, and this is good morning. Good morning, how you doing? Okay, and I'm going to do a swatch for you guys. Ooh, that is giving me pink nude. Okay, I'm loving that. This is so pretty. It matches my, oh yeah, y'all, I knew I was gonna be a little highlight, so I put a little, I'm showing up and showing out today for you, girl. Okay, next we have, what is this? A Rose in Harlem. Been through more than a little bit. So now we're going to swatch this. What do she do? I do everything. I move everything. What? Yes, I'm loving that. Okay. Also, I bought a pencil, and the pencil that I bought, it was the Night Moth. And this is so pretty. Let me do a little swatch. Can y'all see that? Ooh. Very like purple, brown purple. So I like that. And then of course, guys, I got this mineral skin finish. Had to get that, okay? Who doesn't have to get that? And this is, I cannot wait to use. Cannot wait to use. Now let's wipe this off. And let's try it on the lips. I have to be quiet lining my lips, y'all. I'm sorry. This looked really cute on the lip, but only thing that I would say that I wish it was longer. Like, I wish it was like the Morphe Trendsetter. I have like, it's like a little bit longer. I wish it was a little bit longer for $20. I will say that. All right, so we're going to go into Good Morning. Lay that right on the lip. So next we're going to be getting into this one right here. This one is called Save Your Tears, honey. Don't nobody got time for that. All right, so ooh, loving this. And I just want to take this one right here and put it on top. Ooh, that really did the thing, okay? I really like this one. Yes, girl, save your tears, honey. Okay? I really, really like this one. Real quick, I want to show you guys how this really look. It's like very like pinky, glittery. It's like really, really cute, right? Now we're going to take this one off and then we're going to put on the other lip. But oh yeah, I don't know if you guys have this, but I think this is something you definitely should get, especially if you're going to be trying on lips and stuff like that. It is the e.l.f. lip remover. So what I just do, I just lay this right on my lips just like this, all over my lip. And it also makes your lips like really soft. And then I just take a makeup wipe and just wipe it off like that. And look, like, cool, right? All right, so I put that Night Moth right back on because that was the only lip liner I got. And I'm going to be trying a Rose in Harlem. A Rose in Harlem. Dum, dum, dum. Ooh. Ooh. I ain't even done yet. Ooh, with this Night Mauve. Bitch. Ooh, she. Listen. Teyana, girl. Pull up, fill up, and pull out. Okay? Let me blend this in. She said, I ain't playing with y'all. She ain't playing. I always have to clean up red. That's just a pet peeve of mine. I'm very, very sloppy with red, but so it's not messy. It's just me and me learning how to do lip. I'm still learning how to put color on and I'm still messy with red, so. I think everybody should clean up their lips. And blend that. Just like that. Baby, I'm really, really feeling this, honey. We're going to be jumping into this. The mineral skin finish, okay? I'm so excited to use this, like so excited. So I'm just going to take a small little Sigma brush because I haven't highlighted anything yet. I'm going to real quick highlight under my brow because that's what I always do. Oh, oh yes, that, oh yes. Let me, ooh, I'm about to like get real thick under that joint. Amen. All right, my kids asleep. I gotta lower my voice. Ooh, yes. Looking, do you see that? Do you see how that just is like, just laying on there so nicely? Like, is it just me? Jesus. Oh my God. All right, now I want to put this in my inner corner, y'all. I ain't no bull. I wanna put this in my inner corner now. Oh yes. Oh yeah. Keeping it on. And now we're gonna be doing it on the nose. Ooh. Yes, let me put some a little bit on the bottom of my nose. I love putting it at the bottom. Let's see what she gonna do on these cheeks. No way. No mother. You know what? House of Petunia. Yeah, you see that glow. You see it. Let me do the other cheek. I'm gonna give it to y'all one more time. Baby, give it to me one more time. Let me give it to you one more time, all right? Ooh, she is not playing. Whatever date this is, mark it down. I want Mac. I want to do a Mac collab, like dead serious. Oh yeah. Like I want it to look like skin. Jesus. I don't even know if I put too much. Oh my God, I just forgot. I forgot to put on blush, but that's okay, because I'm going to show y'all a trick. My grandma used to do this all the time. She used to take her red lipstick, okay, and she would put it on her cheeks just like that, okay? And then we're going to take a brush on the Rizzo, like bong. Blush it, baby. Blush it, baby. Blush it, baby. A rose in Harlem on the cheeks. And the best thing about this, you know how when you put on brush, it kind of fades after a while? Oh, this lipstick ain't gonna fade, boo-boo. It's gonna be on here all day, okay? Yeah, that's why I like doing it. Okay, so Mac give you this little teeny Fix Plus spray if you spend over $100. So I'm going to just spray this little teeny thing. We're going to keep it all Mac, okay? Oh, for this to be little, it come out, baby. Okay. Okay. All right, so I am really feeling this Teyana Taylor Mac collab. Like, on some real stuff, I'm definitely going to go online and get the rest of her collab. I'm loving it. Only thing, I do wish this was a little bit longer. I do wish I had some more product. I do. I'm going to dog this. Like, I'm going to use this every day. So I do wish it was like right here. I do. I'm so proud of her. Been following her from the beginning. Know all her albums from the beginning. That is my boo. I love the way she directs. I mean, I just love her, period. Okay, and I'm so proud of her. Congratulations on a new baby, Teyana. And I'm just so happy for her. That's all I can say. And I just love this. And it's just so decent. Like, brown skinned girl getting it. You dig? I just really wish her the best. So go out there and support my boo. And if you really like this video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Also, my boo, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you won't miss my other upload. And don't forget to pick my favorite lip and put it in the comment section. And don't forget to put your email too, so I can send you an email if you're the winner. So with that being said, thanks so much, my boos, for watching this video. I really appreciate it. And I will see you, boo, in the next video. Mwah. Peace. Oh, and don't forget to keep God first. Okay?